Almost everything. 84.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today we have a review of a remote-controlled rock crawler here, and have it out on the sand. And we're going to go through a little of how it operates. So they give you sort of the remote like this, limited steering, but you don't need too much when you have your trigger. And that's really all there is to that. We'll get a little video of it moving around here and crawling, and we'll talk a little more about it. All right, so we took it for a little ride here. You know, one of the things I'll say is, you know, it's slow. It's definitely not a quick vehicle here. It's really designed for climbing things. You can just see the suspension on this and the way that it's even designed and linked. The whole front system can just move, so it can really slowly climb things, which is cool. Same with the back. The tires are very soft rubber, and it's got pretty good ground clearance. It's pretty durable too. I mean, just flip it right over, keep it going. Comes with a battery pack. It even comes with 3 AA's for the transmitter here, and power adapter to charge the battery pack. So all in all, it's pretty cool. Definitely different from what I've had before. You know, again, this is something that you know, have fun with, climbing rocks and you know, other obstacles that you can probably put together. So recommend for that. Thanks for watching.
It's perfect.
Oh yeah.
It's actually perfect.
Nice.